Unlocking the mystery, as sound as a bell, explained. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, as sound as a bell. If you're keen on boosting your English language skills or just love exploring interesting expressions, you're in the right place. Let's get started and find out why this idiom is music to our ears. The phrase, as sound as a bell, is an idiom used to describe something or someone that is in excellent condition, perfect health, or functioning flawlessly. The word, sound, in this context means whole, healthy, or robust. Interestingly, the comparison to a bell highlights the idea of clarity and purity, as a bell that rings clearly is free from cracks or defects. While it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origins of many idioms, as sound as a bell likely comes from the practical test of a bell's quality. Historically, a bell without any cracks would produce a clear and resonant sound, indicating it was well made and in good condition. This analogy was then extended to describe anything in an impeccable state. To help you understand how to use this idiom, let's look at a few examples. After the mechanic fixed my car, it was as sound as a bell, running smoothly without any issues. My grandmother is 90 years old, but the doctor says she's as sound as a bell. I checked the old piano before the concert, and to my relief, it was as sound as a bell. These examples show that the phrase can be applied broadly, from describing physical objects to talking about health and well-being. Idioms like, as sound as a bell, enrich the English language, adding color and depth to our conversations. They help convey complex ideas succinctly and engagingly, making communication more vivid and expressive. Learning idioms also offers insights into cultural nuances and the creative ways in which language evolves. We hope this exploration of the phrase, as sound as a bell, has been as clear and resonant as the bell itself. Idioms are a key part of mastering the English language, offering a window into the cultural and historical contexts that shape the way we speak. Keep practicing and incorporating these expressions into your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every idiom you master is a step forward on your path to fluency. Keep ringing those bells of knowledge, and see you next time.